Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Honda Odyssey 2011 to 2017? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your minivan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2013 Honda Odyssey manages and protects interior electrical systems such as power windows, infotainment, and climate control. It ensures consistent power flow and reliable operation of cabin features. The passenger side passenger compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2013 Honda Odyssey safeguards auxiliary interior systems such as seat controls, lighting, and entertainment features. It ensures stable power distribution and reliable operation of cabin electronics. The rear fuse box in the 2007 to 2010 Honda Odyssey manages and protects electrical systems such as rear climate control, power tailgate, and lighting. It ensures efficient power distribution and reliable operation of rear vehicle components. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2014 to 2017 Honda Odyssey controls and safeguards interior electrical systems such as power windows, infotainment, and climate control. It ensures stable power flow and dependable operation of cabin features. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment primary fuse box in the 2011 to 2013 Honda Odyssey protects major engine and electrical systems, including ignition, lighting, and cooling circuits. It ensures efficient power distribution and reliable performance of essential components. The engine compartment secondary fuse box in the 2011 to 2013 Honda Odyssey supports and protects additional electrical systems such as charging, lighting, and control modules. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2014 to 2017 Honda Odyssey safeguards key engine and electrical systems, including ignition, lighting, and cooling components. It ensures efficient power distribution and reliable performance of essential vehicle functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement. while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.